Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're fine, fresh, and jolly by the grace of Almighty. And I'm doing so well. I came in front of the camera in front of all of you. Check this my another new video. We'll learn word vocabulary or phrases how to use practically. Get down to start today's video. First of all, it's a notebook. Report the phrase. Number 2. Fold the phrase. And number 3. Share the phrase. And number last. Cripple the face. That's it. See you in my next video. Until take care. Bye for today. Allah Hafiz.